Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and I'm doing good too. So if you are someone who is coming for the very first time on my channel, so hi there, my name is Atri. I make videos related to makeup, skincare, reviews, hauls, etc. So if this something interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, from the title you know this one is going to be trying on the newly launched eyeshadow palettes from MYGLAMM, which is their exclusively Popxo Makeup. I have three variants, like I have two variants only, but in one variant I have two and in one variant I have one. So before moving forward, let's just see what all variant I have, and I'm also going to create makeup looks like eye look using all three of them. So make sure to stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Now this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. This is their 12th eyeshadow palette and it says makeup collection, squad goals, and you can see that the packaging is quite similar of all the products. This is how the color scheme is. You also have names for all the colors over here. That's a really good thing. It retails for 499 rupees and it has 8.4 grams of product, and if you can tell, it has 12 eyeshadows. Yeah, and the longevity of these eyeshadows are very easily 5 to 6 hours. So now let's just open this and see how this looks like. Same packaging as their mono carton. Now as soon as I open this is how it looks like. Now it does not come with a mirror, as you can tell, it does not have a mirror, and it does have 12 shades, and it's a mix of all the shades. It has all the matte shades over here, 6 matte shades over here, and all the shimmer shades over here. So let me just give you a quick swatch of all these shades. Now these are all the matte shade. These are not at all chalky or whatsoever. These are really nicely blendable and very effective colors, I can say. And talking about the shimmer shades, these are the shimmer shades. So that's how the shimmer shades are. Very buttery to use, not chalky at all, so you can definitely use this on your eyelids. Palette has a lot of color, like it's a mix and match of color, so you can definitely use it and create a lot of looks out of it. So I definitely love the quality of this palette. Now guys, in the eyeshadow category they do have some more eyeshadows. So the next one is their eyeshadow quad, and this is Hot Mess. This is how the palette looks like, and this retails for only 299 rupees, has 4 gram of product, that means 1 gram each, and that's how this looks like. The packaging is pretty similar of all the products. This is the color story of the palette. Now all the shades are matte shades, colorful shades. It does not have mirror. So let me just give you a quick swatch of all the shades. These are the swatches of all the colors. Now if you are someone who likes to play with color, this palette is for you, because this has this pop of neon and orange, and it also has a transition shade. It also has this neon pink shade, and all the shades are very buttery, and I really love the formulation of their matte eyeshadows, especially matte eyeshadows, because they are really buttery and very nice to blend. These are not at all chalky. Now this is the next palette, which is Drama Queen. Now this is again their 4 eyeshadow palette kit, and when you open this, of course, it does not have any mirror. This is how it looks like. It does have a black shade, a brown one, light brown, and a shimmery shade. So let me just give you a swatch quickly. This is how this palette swatches. I mean, look at the pigmentation of the black, the brown, the skin color, and this is the shimmery shade. So definitely very good for beginners, very travel friendly as well. You can create a lot of looks out of this. that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys enjoyed, make sure to give thumbs up. I really love the quality of the eyeshadow palettes. The blendability is super good of the matte, especially the matte colors, because I feel these are not at all chalky, very pigmented, and the formulation is like butter. So if you are someone who like matte shadows, you can definitely choose any one of these. I think the quads are also good. The 4 eyeshadow palette, 4 eyeshadow kit, if you are a beginner college going girl, you are going to love the quality of them. So that was about it. All the codes and all the links are there in the description box. Make sure to check it out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care.